All right, so I was replacing a new sink, faucet, and the pipe underneath, and I came across a problem that this nut right here was stuck. And I looked online and people were using saws. I had some pliers and everything that were actually twisting it, and it still wouldn't come off. And how I ended up getting it off was using a chisel. And the metal on these nuts are pretty weak, so the chisel actually took about 2 minutes to get through it. And as you can see, the sill is broken and it's starting to come off there. Great. The silver part here and the silver part over here is split in the middle, and it's coming right on off. I'll be able to finally replace this sink part here that was stuck because the nut was actually stuck together there. So anyway, if anybody's having a problem with getting this apart, just use a chisel. You don't have to go to Lowe's and buy an oscillating saw, or I have a reciprocating saw I was going to try if this didn't work, but that seemed to do the trick. Now I'm going to push it off of here. Came right on off, and here's half of the other half of the nut there. It's a beast to get off of there. So now the rest of this will come off. Oh, that's gross. And good luck with yours.